Hey guys, quick little video upgrade from my half-X to this Asylum or something like that. I think it's supposed to be Asylum, but Asylum, one and the only. So it's got a new computer case, and finally got my water cooling supplies. And I'm just gonna go over it real quickly. I got Primo Chill UV Red, Pro LRT, and tubing for it. That's the diameter. If you want to know, hold on. Got the diameter 7/16 by inner diameter, and then 5/8 outer diameter, which is kind of small, not the smallest, but two of those. And then I got my favorite pump ever, MCP 655B. I think that's the one with the I don't know yeah. And I got the mod top for it, and I will show you why I got this in a little bit. The D5 MCP mod top, it just looks nice. And then I got the Swiftech Micro Rev 2. And here I got the this is the Swiftech Apongi HD Black. I think this is the second version. I got these Monsoon, the little compression bolts in red, and I got two extra ones instead of it. And then here is the XSPC or whatever. Yeah, XSPC. It's 360 rad. The EX360. And to go along with that, I got some EK Coolant Clear because it was $14. And I'm actually going to do an unboxing video of each and individual part. If you guys have any questions on like the quoting of the parts and like where I got them and why I chose them, just put a comment down below. If I see it, I will definitely reply to that or send you a message about it. Thanks.